Okay, for today, we're going to be working on Spire workbook pages 3 and 4. So go ahead, grab a pencil, and open up your workbook to page 3. On this page, we are going to be reading the sentence and then drawing a line from the sentence to the picture that goes with the sentence. So I would like you to try and read these with me, okay? The first sentence says, ow, how, ad, had, app, nap. Do you see how I'm sounding out each letter, but then I'm blending them together? App, nap. That's what I want you to do when you're reading. Sound out each sound and then blend it together, unless you just know what the word is. If you know it's how, right, by looking at it, you don't have to do each step, okay? So, Hal had a nap. Which picture shows Hal having a nap? Well, there's Hal, our friend who likes to sleep in the woods. Who knows where his mom and dad are? But there's Hal, asleep in the woods. Poor kid, he needs a blanket over him. I hope it's warm. Okay, our next sentence, ow, here's a memory word, and another memory word, the, at, cat, at. Owl and the cat sat. All right, so if I look down here, I can see Owl and the cat, and they're sitting. Okay, short sentence here. Jan, ran, fast. Jan ran fast. Well, I'm guessing this is Jan running fast right here. Okay, here's the same name again. Jan, Jan, is, at the lab. Jan is at the lab. Well, there's Jan right up there at the top. She's at the lab doing her work. Good for Jan. All right. Final sentence. Tad. That's just the name of a person. Swam. A lap. Tad swam a lap. Well, right there, straight across. Okay, good work. Let's turn our page over and we'll work on page 4 together. Okay, this is just like the page we completed yesterday. We have a word bank at the bottom. We have several sentences that we need to complete. So we have to read the sentence and then choose the word that goes best with it, okay? So here we go. Jan, as, has, a. What does Jan have? Well, I don't know who Jan is. I can't tell if that's Jan or that's Jan. Well, let's see. The first word is ow. Jan has a how. Does that make sense? No. App. Does she have a cap? Well, maybe. It's hard to tell. At. Bat. I don't know if Jan has a bat. She could be this person or this one. How about a pal? I don't know. That one's hard to answer. So I'm not going to answer that one. I'm going to skip to the next one. Okay. The next one says, the pal is, well, let's see. I'm going to go with this choice because this is the only one that is a name of someone, and a pal is going to be a person. So let's write how. I'm capitalizing the H because it's someone's name, and a proper noun always gets capitalized. The pal is how. So how, we can get rid of this one. Hal has a, what does Hal have? Well, I think he has a cap. Let's go ahead and give him a cap. C-A-P. Cap. Jan has a, well, if the pal is Hal, I don't know. Let's go back up here. Let's go to Jan has a. We have the same one. Jan has a. She can have a bat and a pal. So we'll just give her a bat for the first one, BAT, and we'll give her a pal for the bottom one. She has a bat and a pal. What a lucky girl she is. Okay, so make sure you've completed the entire page, and you're just going to leave your workbook pages inside the workbook because we'll need those when we get back in school. So go ahead and put away your workbook and your pencil until tomorrow. Good work.